Hello and welcome to Chic and Style. My name is Sylvia Wanja. Fellas, whether you're trekking hills, exploring forest trails, or heading for a full-on mountain adventure, what you wear on a hike makes all the difference. Today we're talking functional, comfortable, and stylish hiking outfits for men that keep you prepared for the wild. Number 1. Base layers that breathe. Start with a moisture-wicking t-shirt or long-sleeve tech shirt. Think polyester, merino wool, or blends that pull sweat away from the skin. If it's chilly, add a mid-layer fleece or lightweight pullover hoodie. Number 2. Hiking pants built for movement. Skip the jeans, go for convertible hiking pants that is zip off into shorts when it gets hot, stretch cargo joggers that are flexible, durable, and loaded with pockets, performance shorts if it's a warm trail day. Choose the right footwear. Your shoes is equals to your foundation. Pick depending on the trail. Trail running shoes for light hikes, mid-cut hiking boots for ankle support on rocky paths, thick hiking socks to prevent blisters and weak moisture. Number 4. Accessories and essentials. You don't need much, but the right gear keeps your hiking longer. Breathable cap or wide brim boonie hat for sun protection. Day pack or hydration backpack for water, snacks, and fast aid. Sunglasses with UV protection. Lightweight rain jacket packed just in case. Hiking in different seasons. Let's break it down by season. Summer, quick dry shirt, shorts, cap, trail runners. Spring or fall, layered top, cargo pants, light jacket. Winter, go for thermal base, insulated outwear, gloves, beanie, waterproof boots. Here are some quick tips. Stick to neutral tones. Green, black, grey, tan, they blend with nature and hide dirt. Avoid cotton. Once wet, it stays wet. Make sure everything fits well, not too loose, not too tight. Whether you're hiking for fitness, clarity, or content, your outfit should work with the trail, not against it. Hit the like button if you're gearing up for the next hike, and don't forget to subscribe for more outdoor style and gear tips.